Hi, my name's Carol. Welcome to the Jewel Tower, an English heritage property which is 645 years old. It was created for King Edward III to keep all his personal treasures here. If you look up, we have our original ceiling, untouched for 645 years, complete with a few cobwebs here and there, and a slightly more recent addition of a smoke alarm, as required by health and safety. In the case just beyond me there, we have some stone capitals. They came from the original ceiling of Westminster Hall, which is the oldest surviving part of the original Palace of Westminster. The difference between that Westminster Hall and the Jewel Tower is the fact that Westminster Hall has been heavily restored, whereas the Jewel Tower has basically had a few bits of concrete put in here and there in the 1950s.
Okay, thank you very much, Carol. This is incredible.
That's great.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Anything else you would like to know?
Just no, that's about all. I just want to say thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you,
all right.
and have a nice day.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Climbing the Jewel Tower. Hello. Keep going. Small steps.